You caught a tree on fire. I caught a tree on fire doing it. I love it. Guys, watch it, watch it.
Oh my God. It better go off. I'm going to be pissed if they salty duds. Oh, good. Oh, yeah, little sound.
I love fire.
Yeah. I know.
The wonders of fire, right?
I've done like everything tonight on video.
Can I dance by it?
Oh yeah,
Rave. We can dance by it. Open the door so we can hear the music.
What the heck? I'm totally gonna rave by this.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Ready? Hang on.
I get popped.
Oh, come on. I'll just go party.
Is it like
Okay, I'm going to do one.
Graham?
Oh my God, I'm scared.
Where's the rest of them? Up there. We like no the rest of them. Like I don't know. They probably went to Mansfield or something. No, they went all the way down there. Oh.
And then this one explodes.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! And I got it on video.
Stop, drop, and roll, right?
Yeah.
As long as you still remember that from kindergarten.
Stop, drop, and quit rolling around.